Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this simple off-shoulder shared top. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you step by step how I made the shared top. So make sure to continue watching till the end. So first of all, we're going to need some measurements. So you're going to take your measurements. You're going to take your bust circumference, the fullest part of the bust. You also take your waist measurement of the tiniest part of the waistline, and then you are going to go ahead and take the length of your top wherever you want the top to be. If you're taking it by yourself, this is how you're going to do it. Next, you're going to need 1 yard of any lightweight fabric or medium weight. Then you are going to need elastic, and you're going to need this shared thread. It comes in different colors, but it doesn't matter whichever color you use. You don't have to use the same matching color. I have black here, so that's what I'm going to do. But you are going to need a cotton thread, which you're going to need for that. Next, we are going to draft this. This is going to be the off shoulder. You're going to go off here by 5 inches. Remember, sewing allowance is already inclusive. Then you mark your armhole length. Here I have marked 9 inches, and then the length of the top you measured. So you're going to go ahead and square this. You notice there is no waist measurement because you don't really need that. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this, square it out. This is the armhole line, and then this is going to be the shoulder line. So this is the neckline, or whatever, the armhole and length of skirts. Then you are going to go ahead and do your bust circumference divided by 4 plus 3.5. You're going to mark that. Whatever circumference you got from your bust, divide it by 4, add 3.5 inches. On the waistline also, you're going to do the waist divided by 4 plus 3.5, and you're going to mark it here. Then you go ahead and connect these two lines. Remember, the sewing allowance is already inclusive in this, so note that. On your neckline or shoulder line, whatever line, remember it's off shoulder, you're going to also do your shoulder or your chest divided by 2 plus 3.5 inches. Then you're going to go ahead and connect this here. So this is just this. You're going to cut this for the back and the front. So this is going to be for the center front and center back. I'll go ahead and cut this and place it on my fabric to cut out. So this is it. After cutting it, you see the back and the front is the same. You can see the two of them are on fold. Then we are cutting the back, the sleeve. The sleeve is whatever your arm circumference is. Use that as the width of the sleeve. You're not going to divide it or do anything. You're going to leave it like that because we want it to have this exaggerated look. And then you're going to align the side seam and the top of the sleeve and cut out the shape of the armhole. And that is basically it for the sleeve. Also, I have 4 pieces here for the 2 sides of the sleeve, and they are on fold. Then we're going to go ahead, set this aside, and come to the shoulder line. You're going to fold it into 2 like this, and also the lower part. You can see that's the upper side, and that is the same thing on this other side for the 2 sides. So you're going to go ahead and thread your elastic. So watch the way I'm going to thread this elastic. It's very simple. You're going to pass your thread, making sure you hold the first side, and then you take your time and you're going to roll it on the roller. Don't drag it too long, just stout enough to hold on the roller, and that's it. So you're going to also put it here and then inside the bobbin and put just the normal way you thread your bobbin. Then you are going to make sure you have the matching thread for the upper side, which is the cotton I have there at the back. Then you go ahead and increase your stitch length to the highest and start sewing. That is it. It's as simple as that. You can see how easy it is. If you're still finding it difficult to sew shared tops, let me know in the comment section what you're finding difficult. You can see every steps. I showed you every steps of how to thread it, to do everything. I didn't even pause it. I just did directly so that you will see. So you can see after sewing it, this is how it's looking for the two sides, both the back and the front. And you're going to go ahead and hem the lower part. Then for the upper part, that's the side on the neckline, you're going to pass half-inch elastic into it. So this is going to help the neckline not to gape. It gives you this professional look. I love the way it turns out when you use your elastic. So I'm going to go ahead and pass my elastic into this casing. If you don't know the width of the elastic you need, when you thread it and you see that it's firm enough the way you want it, you can, eyeball it and that would be okay. See how it's going to look. Whenever it gives you that look, know that is okay. Then you are going to go ahead and join the side seam. The same thing on the other side. If you have watched this video till this time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on all notification bell icon. Remember, please, always support my channel, please. This time around, I have to beg you guys. I don't know why you don't drop comments or like and let me know that you watch this video. It encourages me. If you see I go offline, it's just because I feel people are not watching. That's why I usually go offline after that people are not watching. So just drop a comment, say hi, tell me where you're watching from. Is a way of interacting and making me know that I have somebody on the other side who is watching and interacting with me. It helps me to come back to share more videos. So after doing that, I went ahead, I did the same thing to the sleeve, added elastic, and then I'm going to go ahead and join the armhole line. You match the armhole line together. You can pin this down as a beginner if that's okay, but it's easy for me to eyeball. This time around on this side, you don't need to drag it because the armhole is equal if you followed me to do the same thing I did. So this is how it's going to look, and this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.